Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Atira Sofia binti Adnan. My matric number is AF 2031. Today I would like to talk about the problem statement and the objective of the water pollution in Sungai Kim Kim. The problem statement is the water quality at Kim Kim River must truly investigate due to the region's significance as a safe and healthy environment. Consequently, water quality must be ensured so that no contaminants exceed levels that would be detrimental to human health. However, limited research has been conducted on the water quality of this study area, including by regulatory agency responsible for controlling water quality. In addition, pollution source must be identified and a map of contaminated areas must be created. So there is three objectives in our proposal, which is number one is to develop a water quality index for the river basin based on the investigated water quality parameters and to compare the water quality index to the extent water quality standard in Malaysia and other nations. The second one is to characterize the surface water of the study area during the dry and wet season using three water quality parameters, which is physical, chemical and biological. Then the third one is to identify related tests should be carried out and mitigation measures to overcome those problems. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, I'm Sharol. I continue to the scope of study. A study on the Kim Kim River can examine the repercussion of the 2019 illegal dumping of toxic waste. A study can cover various aspects, including the environment impact on the river and surrounding ecosystem, the health effect on the local population, the legal and regulation framework governing waste disposal, the ecosystem economic impact on the affected population and businesses, and the effectiveness of risk assessment and management measure. An interdisciplinary approach can help gain insight into how to prevent future incidents and address the challenges in waste management and environment protection in Malaysia. Okay, for the background of the study, the Kim Kim River located in Johor, Malaysia gained international attention in March 2019 when toxic waste was illegally dumped into the river, causing widespread pollution and health hazard for the local population. The incident resulted in the closure of schools and affected thousands of people. It highlighted the issues of the waste management and enforcement of the environment regulation in Malaysia and prompted call for better measures to prevent similar incidents in the future.
Hi, my name is Amarina. My part is literature review. From my finding, water quality condition in Johor are getting worse. The change in rainfall volume and air temperature that lead to severe soil erosion and large nutrient load in river has drawn more attention in recent years. According to the mini review of river pollution, September 2022 by Azlina Masad, garbage dumping in the river is a common source of river pollution. Sewage is also recognized as the most frequent source of water microbiological pollution. Manufacturing, industrial, agriculture, and shipping industry are among the few that can be linked to the presence of this harmful toxic substance in river ecosystem. Heavy metal are also one of the primary pollutants in the river environment. Last but not least, one of the non-point form of river pollution is likewise characterized as acid rain. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Anisha Ibrahim binti Jaafar. Matric number DF 20031. I represent the part of methodology water quality parameter. In order to determine the state of the river water, we can use a screening procedure or test. This allows for the measurement of the water quality index based on dissolved oxygen (DO), biochemical oxygen demand (BOD), pH value and oxygen demand (COD). According to the table, the classification of the water quality index is shown. Dissolved oxygen. Dissolved oxygen is the measure of gaseous oxygen dissolved in an aqueous solution. For the stream, dissolved oxygen level need to be between 5 mg per liter and 20 mg per liter. Dissolved oxygen is used by organic material for this composition and is detected by the temperature, salinity and the atmospheric pressure. Aim for this experiment to investigate the level of dissolved oxygen (DO) using a variety technique and equipment in a sample water from an unknown source and to establish the biochemical oxygen demand BOD. The objective is to determine the concentration of dissolved oxygen. The limitation for dissolved oxygen is healthy water should generally have dissolved oxygen concentration above 6.5 until 8 mg per liter and between about 80 until 120%. Water at lower temperature should have higher milligram per liter of dissolved oxygen and higher percent of DO. Biological oxygen demand BOD. Biochemical oxygen demand BOD generally represent how much oxygen is needed to break down organic matter in water. BOD represent the amount of oxygen consumed by bacteria and other microbes while they decompose organic matter under aerobic oxygen is present condition at a specific temperature. The aim of this experiment to determine of prescribed quantity of oxygen required for the biological stabilization of organic matter present in the water. The objective is to measure the strength of the water sample, wastewater, based on the amount of oxygen needed to stabilize the organic matter in the sample. Limitation of BOD is it is essential to have higher concentration of active bacteria present in the sample wastewater. Then the test loss is stoichiometric validity after the soluble organic matter present in the solution has been used or has hosted. Last, the test used an arbitrary long period of time to obtain the result. That's all from me.
Hi, my name is Ahmed Nasr Hassan. Today I will present chemical oxygen demand COD and pH value. COD is crucial indicator of water quality that is used to calculate the concentration of both organic and inorganic substances in water. High levels of COD in the water can signal the presence of organic pollutants such as pesticides, petroleum, and other chemicals. Our aim to determine the level of pollution in the water after waste treatment. Um, our objective through the chemical oxygen demand and COD process ascertain and quantity the amount of oxygen is used to oxidize all organic and inorganic components of the sample waste water. For the last, our limitation COD cannot distinguish between biodegradable and non-biodegradable organic compound, meaning that I overestimated the amount of biodegradable organic matter in the sample. Some non-organic substances such as hydrogen peroxide and iron can interfere with the COD test and produce inaccurate results. The COD test is related insensitive the low level of organic pollution, meaning that it may underestimate the amount of pollution present in some sample. pH value. pH is a measurement of a solution acidity or alkalinity that is represented on a scale of 0 to 14. The pH of a solution can affect several chemical and biological processes, including nutrition availability, chemical reaction, and organism behavior. Understanding pH is critical in sectors such as environmental research, agriculture, and industrial process. Maintaining proper pH level is critical for the health of natural and built systems, such as soil, bodies of water, and chemical reaction. Our aim pH value Its measurement is to provide information that can be used to make informed decisions, take appropriate action to optimize performance, and protect health. The environmental. Our objective of measuring pH is to determine the acidity alkalinity of a solution. For last, our limitation, pH value is taken in the solution of strong acid if the concentration is 2N or 3N or 10, etc. The corresponding pH value will be negative A. Solution of an acid having low concentration says 10 power minus 8 and cannot have pH 8 as shown by the formula, but actual pH will be less than 7.
Hello, I'm Iskandar. So now it's about role of parties in controlling river pollution. Role of society like us for handling the pollution is by spreading knowledge about pollution to the communities, involves planning environmental cleanup, and dispose things by following the law. The environmental department is important in preventing pollution. Enforcing the law can help a lot in reducing river pollution. They can monitor the river's water quality and enforcing the rules and restore the river's water quality through initiatives to improve it. These are the common things that private sector can help in cleaning our rivers, such as cleaning initiatives like eliminate toxins, improving trash management like better waste management is crucial to clean up water by reducing single-use plastic. So the next is reducing nutrient runoff, which is high nitrogen level is streamed from fertilizer runoff, cause excessive algal development, leading to fish death. Encouraging less fertilizer use, advising against applying it before rain, and install retention ponds can help. And the last one is cleaning up wastewater, such as industrial facilities, sewage treatment plants, and mining operation discharge. There's a lot of public sector that can prevent our pollution in river, such as Department of Irrigation and Drainage, the ID responsible for water resources development projects, JKI responsible for public works in water supplies, JBA for planning and development water supplies, DOE coordinates activity related to waste discharge and pollution control. Local authority ensures compliance with environmental regulations within municipal areas. TNB responsible for hydroelectric power generation and electrical installation management and many more such as National Water Research Centre, Fisheries Department, Meteorological Measuring System, and Forest Department. So these are the 6 things that can prevent our river to become a pollution. So the first thing is wastewater treatment, second one is green agriculture, the third one is stormwater management, and the fourth one is air pollution prevention, and the fifth one plastic waste reduction, and the sixth one is water conservation. So basically what I'm talking about is the private sector can contribute to water pollution control through cleaning initiative, improving trash management, reducing nutrient runoff, cleaning up wastewater. So as the public sector has various responsibilities including water resource development, water supply planning and development, pollution control and technical direction on forestry and fisheries management. So collaboration between the private and public sector is crucial in maintaining a clean and healthy water environment. Thank you.